Hi, I'm Ismael Garcia with Spectrum Technologies. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to replace the solar panel door on a 3000 series weather station. First, unlock the two latches on the side of the door. Ensure that the weather station is powered off by sliding the switch to the off position to prevent any electrical issue during the process. Next, disconnect the solar panel cable from the panel. This step is important to isolate the power source. Position the door at about 60-degree angle. This provides enough room to safely remove the door without damaging the hinges. In this part of the video, we'll show several different angles of the door being unhinged, so you can clearly see how each step looks from multiple perspectives. With your left hand, hold the solar panel door securely. Place your right hand on top of the station and position your thumb on the upper edge of the door. Apply gentle pressure with your thumb to unhinge the door, making sure not to use excessive force as this could damage or bend the hinges. Next, to release the lower hinge, carefully sway the door from side to side while applying gentle pressure. This should help unhinge the lower part without causing strain or damage to the hinge. To attach the new door, position it at a 60-degree angle to ensure the hinges align with the corresponding slots. Once aligned, gently press the door into place until it's secure. Be sure not to force it, as it could damage the hinges. Next, reconnect the solar panel cable to restore the power connection. Finally, power the weather station back on by sliding in switch to the on position. Ensure that the system is functioning as expected. This concludes the process for replacing the solar panel door on the 3000 series weather station.
Learn more online or call and speak with a specialist today.